Hello mga kachararat and welcome again to my channel. So today, if you can see here, we're going to do another unboxing. So tinago ko muna siya bago tayo mag-start. And guys, remind ko lang din kayo, if you're planning to buy something online, kindly download or pwede kayo mag-register ng ShopBack application. With ShopBack, you'll get instant rebate for all your purchases with your favorite online stores. And aside from that guys, pag nag-register kayo ngayon, makakuha kayo ng 100 peso registration bonus or welcome bonus from ShopBack. Alright? So guys, this item, I got this one during the 11/11 Lazada sale. So excited ako as always kasi dream ko na magkaroon nitong item na to. Though hindi naman siya bago. So anyway, ipakita ko na sa inyo kung ano siya. Alright? Chanan! So, ayan. So, we have here the JBL BooMBOX. So, ito yung first version. This was released September of 2017. So, mula nung unang lumabas to guys, talagang pinangarap ko na magkaroon nito. Kaya lang, it's too expensive. Nung unang labas nito, I believe it's around 25,000 pesos. So, ayan. So, pasok to sa Chararat Finds natin ngayon because during the 11/11 sale, nakuha ko lang siya for 12,907. And yung regular price niya usually is nasa 17,000 na ngayon. Kasi meron na silang nilabas na JBL BooMBOX 2. And yung difference lang naman niya is yung battery kasi nung JBL BooMBOX 2 is 10,000 milliampere. While this first generation na BooMBOX, it has 20,000 milliamperes. Actually, yun din yung hinahabol ko dito kasi this also serves as a power bank. But anyway guys, bago ko natin explain yung mga yan, mag-start na tayo ngayon ng pag-unbox. Alright? So yan. So originally guys, I plan to purchase, talagang I'm eyeing for the army green or the green color na BooMBOX. Kaya lang, actually naka-ano na yun naka-save na siya dun sa aking shopping cart. Since last month pa, nung October pa. Kaya lang, pagpatak nung 12 midnight nung mismong November 11, sold out siya agad. So, ayun. Yun lang yung nakakaiyak doon. Kasi may mas mabilis yung kamay. Pinagandaan ko na siya Kasi, nag-cash in pa ako sa Lazada wallet ko. Talagang inipon ko yun para lang makuha yung army green or the green one. But sadly, yan, sa black tayo napunta. Pero okay lang kasi ayun nga, mabilis na sold out yung item. And akala ko this items will be akala ko manggagaling pa siya ng ibang bansa. But as for checking on the label, it shows here, galing lang siya ng Olympia sa Makati. Alright. So, dumating siya agad. Imagine, 11/11, then nung Wednesday yon, then nung Thursday, di ba? Yung bagyo na si Ulysses. Then, on the 13th, so, nung Friday, around 11:30 PM, naka-receive ako ng message na na-shipped out na siya. Then, nagulat na lang ako around 8 AM the following day. Tinatawagan na ako nung courier. So, ayan, dumating siya agad. Ganun kabilis. So, hindi ko siya ini-expect na darating siya agad because nga, yun nga, nag-advise na rin naman si Lazada na magkakaroon ng delay because of the typhoon. Ayan, pero I'm happy kasi after 3 days, natanggap natin yung item. Ayan. Kahit hindi naman siya yung color na gusto ko, but I'm happy kasi nakakuha pa rin ako. Kasi, yun nga, very cheap na siya compared to other seller. Imagine this speaker for 12,900, di ba? I was able to use a voucher, kaya mas mura pa rin siya aside from the discount dun sa first 2-hour sale ni Lazada. And ayun, so the seller also promised for an invoice. So yan, may kasama siyang invoice. Sabi na natin yan. And according to the seller, meron din siyang extended warranty. So guys, actually, binilang ko na rin talaga eh. Just para hindi na ako nanguhula kung ilan na talaga yung JBL speaker ko. So this is my 10th JBL speaker. Diba? Punong-puno na yung bahay ko ng speaker. Before kasi hindi ko siya mabili kasi nagre-rent pa lang ako noon ng bahay. So parang ang hirap mag-impok ng gamit pag nangungupahan ka lang eh. So ayan. So ayan siya. So very clean yung kanyang box. Bigyan natin yung side. Yung kanyang likuran. Yeah, ang bigat niya, guys. So naka-sealed naman siya pareho. Okay, it says here Bluetooth 24 hours of playtime, IPX waterproof, tapos JBL Connect. So you can connect this speaker to other JBL Connect Plus compatible speakers. Ayan. Anyway guys, ano ba ibig sabihin ng IPX7 waterproof? Waterproof. Alright, so based on Google, yan, ginoogle ko siya guys. It says here, IPX7 can be submerged up to 1 meter in water for 30 minutes. Yun, so yun yung ibig sabihin ng IPX7. Pero syempre hindi ko naman siya ilulubog, no? Hindi ko rin itatry. So yun. So ito nga, it also shows here 20,000 milliampere na battery with dual USB charge out. Actually, that's one more thing kung bakit gusto ko talaga rin magkaroon nito. Aside from yung sa base niya, na talagang yung tumatak for boomboxes, even with other brands. Diba pag sinabing boombox, syempre, ang main feature niyan is bass. So, aside from that, yung kanyang, yung pwede siya mag-charge out. So, it will serve as a power bank. Diba? So, ayan. So, masyado siya mataas. 20,000 milliampere. Diba? So, kahit brownout, magagamit ko to. Alright. So, it says here, what's in the box? Use with, ayan, nakalagay naman, hindi kita, ayan. So, pwede siya sa mobile phone, tablet, and laptop. Then, it shows here frequency response, output power. Then, visit us at jbl.com. Then, the other side naman. Ayan. Tignan din natin syempre yung ilalim ng box. Okay. So, yan. So, guys, open na natin siya. Dahil excited na ako. And thank you again, guys, kasi sinamahan nyo na naman ako mag-unbox. Tingnan natin. Based on the description kasi, nung sa nabasa ko, this is about 15 pounds yung kanyang weight. And good thing, hindi naman siya nakasakay sa motor ngayon. So, naka-van naman siya. So, very safe yung pag-deliver sa ating item. Okay, ayaw pa niya magpabukas. Ang hirap niyang buksan, guys. Alright. So, yan. Kita niyo na ba, guys? So, yan siya. So, we have here styrofoam. Tanggalin muna natin yan. And on the other side. Then, the main unit itself. Yeah, itabi muna natin. Tignan muna natin yung laman ng pinaka-box. Yan. So, may styrofoam pa rin siya on both sides. ayan, so wala nang ibang laman. So baba muna natin to guys. Galing din natin muna itong plastic. Then ibalik natin to. Ito yung isang box na nasa loob. So, tignan natin kung ano laman niya. Okay, so we have here, of course, the power, yung pinaka-cord for the power, or the charger. Then, yung pinaka-adapter niya, I think this is the US type. Okay, as usual, yan, dalawa siya. Kahit dun sa iba na, na-feature din natin na ibang speakers from JBL. Usually, dalawa talaga yung ganito. Then, we have the, I think, again, this is the type G. Yan. Then, okay. So, tatlo siya ngayon, guys. Ayan. Tatlo siya. Tatlo yung kasama niya. Then, we have here, BooMBOX. I think this is the warranty card. Oops, nasira na. Okay, so this is the quick guide. Or the quick start guide. Then, it says here, JBL by Harman. So, this is the safety instruction. And, of course, the warranty card. Alright, so tabi muna natin ito guys. Tignan natin kung meron pa. Okay, wala na. So, yun na. So, baba muna natin to. And, check natin yung pinaka main item. Alright, so yan. So, actually, yan. Mabigat siya guys. So naka-cover pa din siya. Talagang secured yung item. Okay, hinatan natin baka mabagsak. Alright. So yan. So actually okay din naman yung black. Pero syempre, mas magiging happy ako kung nakuha natin yung green or yung army green. Hindi naman sa favorite color ko yung green. Kaya lang kasi very usual na itong black eh. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka, ano ba tawag dito uli? Yung pinaka tatak ni JBL, yung pinaka cloth ng mga speakers niya. Ayan. So, trademark niya na yan. So, we have here the Bluetooth button. The reduce or reduce volume. We have here the power. We have here the JBL Connect Plus, and we have the power up, and we have the play. All right. So yan, so meron siya ditong grip na plastic grip. Then at the upper portion it says here BooMBOX. Then one more thing din sa difference nila with the JBL BooMBOX 2. Iba na rin yung sa hand grip niya. Then iba na rin yung pinaka logo niya dito sa pinaka base part. Alright. So sa back portion, ito BooMBOX. Oops, mahirap siyang tanggalin. So yun, so we have here yung 2 USB ports. Then the power. Ayan. Then we have here, ito yung indoor and outdoor button. So meron din siyang plastic grip sa bottom part ng speaker. So pag pinatong nyo siya sa lamesa, hindi siya basta-basta mahuhulog or mauuga. Alright, so let's just make a quick rundown. Check natin kung nagwo-work yung item. Alright, so saksak ko lang muna siya. Alright, so guys, before pala natin siya isaksak, tignan muna natin kung may pre-charge ba siya. Ayan, tignan natin. Ay, sorry. Ayan, so gumana naman siya. So automatically nag-on na rin yung kanyang Bluetooth kung narinig nyo yung tunog. So yun. So try ko na muna natin siya isaksak just to make sure na hindi tayo mawawala ng power, kasi hindi ko alam kung nasan yung kanyang power indicator. Ayan. So aside from that guys, ito nga yung JBL logo nga pala niya. So ayan, nasa harap. Then tignan natin kung mabilis siyang mag-connect. So ito, open ulit natin yung Bluetooth. Then, i-refresh lang natin yung scan sa ating phone. So, ayun. So, lumabas na siya agad, guys. Ayun siya sa pinakababa, JBL BooMBOX. Ayun, connect lang natin. Tignan natin kung mabilis siya mag-connect. Alright. So, ayan. So, nag-pair na siya, guys. And, ayan. So, yun yung confirmation na nakapag-pair na yung ating phone dun sa ating speaker. And guys, one of yung palang mga highlights nitong speaker na to bago tayo mag sound test, ayun nga, so it has a dual 4 inches woofers, dual 0.8 tweeters, then it runs with Bluetooth 4.2 wireless connectivity, then yung kanina yung IPX7 waterproof, and it says here it also supports voice assistant software. So matatry din natin siya kung gagana siya with Google Assistant. Then you can connect 2 Bluetooth devices at once, then 2 times USB charging ports for mobile devices, up to 24 hours of battery life, and link to more speakers with JBL Connect Plus. Alright, so guys, mag sound check muna tayo. Alright, so guys, tignan natin kung maganda yung feedback because I'm only using yung phone. So tignan natin, mag sound check tayo. Alright, so guys, that's the sound test that we have. So automatically, nung chinek ko siya kanina, it was set at 50%. So nung nag-start yung music, it's at 50%. Then bago ko siya tinodo, ako narinig niya biglang lumakas. So that's the highest volume or the peak ng volume niya. And I'm sorry, ito pala yung kanyang power indicator nasa baba. Ngayon ko lang siya napansin ko nagbi-blink kasi. So yan, so pre-charge siya. So we have here 2, 4, so there's 5 indicators. So ayun, so pre-charge yung ating unit. So ayun, so guys, thank you so much for joining me again on this another unboxing video here in my channel, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you'd like to see more of this video, just put that on the comment below. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know, guys. And I suggest that you also hit the like button for this one. Support na lang po, guys, and hope that you can also click on the bell so you will be notified once we have a new upload on my channel. Alright, so thank you, guys. So gagamitin ko muna to, mag-enjoy muna ako dito. Panalo talaga sa base tong boombox ni JBL. Alright, so see you again on another unboxing or another upload or another video of mine, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!